Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be showing you how to force stop Facebook on your Android device. If you are experiencing issues with the app, this quick and easy solution may help resolve the problem. To begin, open your device's settings. This can typically be found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, scroll down and find the Apps option. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Locate Facebook in the list and tap on it. This will open up the app's settings. Once you are in the Facebook settings, look for the Force Stop button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to force stop the app. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to force stop the app. Simply tap OK to confirm your action. And that's it. You have successfully force stopped Facebook on your Android device. This can help fix any issues you may be experiencing with the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.